Hello viewer, we have taken that blank layer and we can write a text on it. For the purpose of the text, we can choose the horizontal text. So we can write anything randomly. It's time to change the color for it. So I will cancel it first, make a selection. Then we can change the style of the color. So here is the color for the text. It's a time to use the styles of the text for making a design in Photoshop. So we can bend, increase the bend as well. So here it is. For further we can make more changes. We can align it anywhere in the canvas. We'll make it in the center.